In this session, we are going to learn how to debug JavaScript files using the Google Chrome's developer tools. So let's open up a website in Chrome and then open up the developer tools. Here in the sources tab, you will see that all the files that were loaded are listed. Now let's say that I want to debug this particular JavaScript file, and this particular line I want to add a breakpoint. What this breakpoint is going to do is pause the execution of JavaScript at this particular point, and let's reload the page to check it out. So as you can see, the execution of the JS is paused at this point, and then we can go through the status of all the event listeners and all the global variables and all from here. We can even add watch variables. So let's say I want to get the status of document object. I can do that by adding it here. So this is how it helps you debug JavaScript, because you know the status of all the variables and event listeners at that particular point, and when you want to resume the program, you can just click on the resume button, or if you want to like go into the function itself, you can do it by this. Execution will happen line by line. That particular file was having all the lines written in a single line. It was minified file, so it was showing the same line, but in this file all the lines are different, so we can see it is executing line by line.